administers. So I think it really is difficult, and what I think the government's finding is you can trash your reputation quite quickly. Rebuilding it requires, if you like, a bigger overcompensation. So having been determined to act as disruptors and critics of economic orthodoxy, in a sense they have to overcompensate and be even more orthodox, because they've convinced people they really mean it. And I think the problem with Liz Truss this afternoon is that she failed to do that.
And just very briefly, Sebastian Payne, Steve Bryan, one of Jeremy Hunt's supporters, is calling him the chief executive, she's the chairman. So he's running the show now. Is that tenable?
Sorry. Well, I think Jeremy Hunt wouldn't have taken on the role of Chancellor. Pardon me, sorry, I've got the end.
Bless you. Jill, do you want to take over? What do you think about that?
I think I probably agree with Seb that Jeremy Hunt taking on the role of Chancellor in these circumstances should have made pretty clear what his terms were, that he actually would want the sort of, to be in control of economic policy.
We must leave it there, and I'll let you get a glass of water or something maybe stronger. Sebastian Payne, thanks a lot. That's all we have time for this evening. We're back at 6.